A very good morning to all my dear class 9 students. I hope you all are fine. Today we are here to describe about our social science lab manual activity from democratic politics. Students, today I will discuss about activity number 3, which is present in book page number 41 and 42. So let's start. Subject enrichment activity number 3. In this activity we are having two questions. Question number 1 is write the term. Students, you all can see on the screen that here in question number 1, 8 sentences are provided and certain space are given against each questions. So in this given space, you all will write only the right answer word. It is like one word answer. Okay. Then come to question number 2. The Constitution demarcates the powers of the central, the state governments into different lists of subjects. And these lists are called the union list, the state list and the concurrent list. Now study the pictures and write whether the subject comes under the union list, the state list or the concurrent list. So based on this picture, you all will write on the certain given space whether this pictures comes under the union list, the state list or under the concurrent list. Then come to the next page. The next page is also the continuation part of question number 2. Here also, as we can see, 6 pictures is here and you all have to write down only the right answer word on the given space whether all these pictures or the subject comes under the union list, the state list or the concurrent list. I hope you all understood this activity number 3 well. Stay safe. Thank you.